Hello guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to configure install SSL via Cloudflare. Let's get started. So first of all, you need to log into your Harmonweb client area. I'm logged into my, and this is the domain I want to be using, but I'm not going to use this domain because of you know name server updates. The propagation time might take some time. So I'll be using an existing domain which is already existing on my Cloudflare account already. So let me log into my Cloudflare. Okay. So first of all have to add the domain name to Cloudflare. And to do that, I'm logged into my Cloudflare. Okay, you come on to add a site, then input that particular domain, which is this demotutorialyt.com. You'll be once you've done inputted the domain name and click on continue, you'll be asked to change the domain name servers or configure the DNS for the domain. You don't need to change anything, just click on next. Then select the Cloudflare free plan. Okay, select the Cloudflare free plan so you'll be able to use Cloudflare unlimitedly without paying any amount or any money whatsoever. So as you can see, I have some domains on Cloudflare already, and I'll be using this particular one for this tutorial. Okay, I have already added my domain name to Cloudflare. As you can see, Cloudflare is already protecting my site, and as you can see, so once you've done this, all you need to do is come under that particular domain, then come under SSL or TLS. Okay. During installation, or let me say during adding your domain name to Cloudflare, you also be instructed to enable HTTPS. So that is going to also be very, very important. So as you can see, mine is on flexible SSL has been installed. If you're also adding a new domain, it would also be installed automatically if you enabled it during the domain, name server change updates, like before it reaches that step. So I'll be changing it to full. That means it is the SSL encryption mode is going to be in full mode. As you can see, the settings was changed a few seconds ago. Okay. So SSL TLS recommender, I would advise you also to enable this. Then that is it. Everything SSL certificate has already been installed on my website. Now let us go to my website and check. It is going to be using this full Cloudflare SSL mode. And if you go on to DNS, let us copy the domain name. And if you come onto dnschecker.org, you're going to see that my domain name is pointed towards Cloudflare server, which is enabling the delivery of my websites to be very, very fast and effective. As you can see, it's using the Cloudflare name servers. So that's basically how to install or configure SSL certificates for your website or domain name on Cloudflare. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this content to someone who might need it. See you in the next video. Goodbye.